My name is Edward Hunter. I'm the Director of Business Intelligence and Data Engineering for Clutch. Clutch is a B2C retail-focused loyalty company that is focused on identifying, understanding, and motivating retail customers to behave in ways that are positive for the brand and positive for the consumer. We wanted something that would allow us more agility and be able to adapt to the context of the data of our customers, get them onboarded and using our platform sooner and faster. So we really wanted a tool that would allow our subject matter experts in ETL and traditional SQL and RDBMS type of languages to be able to use that existing base of knowledge and apply it to these problems rather than having to come up with custom code. We rewrote how we do data loads for our customers during onboarding and for those that need it, file-based ingestion, over time. We changed all of the rules, and this is now sort of centric to our strategy for all of those tasks. The support and our interaction with Matillion's customer service teams is probably the single greatest highlight of having used the product. The first thing we noticed is that there was an interest in our challenge, and that's new, that's different. I was not used to getting an email back from somebody going, I was thinking about what you were trying to do, and I came up with this idea. The Matillion components that load and pull data from Redshift, they understand all the nuances and options of doing so. It's specifically adept at transforming data into structures that are usable for reporting and ML. And moreover, it's very efficient and takes a lot of the guesswork out of the data at rest phenomena, which is where you just don't have the budget or the infrastructure to house 20 years of retail data on your servers. You want to be able to store some of it and read it and query it at rest in files wherever they happen to be lying. And Matillion makes all of that stuff very easy. So that's a big part of our using it for ML and reporting and AI. So it's really checked all of the boxes across all of those accesses of, it's way less complex. Our people are turning this stuff around in, initially a week, a few days versus a couple of weeks to a month or longer. It's made me kind of a hero, to be honest with you.